Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a memory foam seat cushion. And for this one in particular, you can see they mentioned how it does have gel infused memory foam. So it's much more high quality and also give you guys that cooling effect when you guys do use it. And for this one in particular, they mentioned how it's designed for wheelchair users. But if you guys want to use it for regular chairs like an office chair or just chairs in general, you guys can definitely do that as well. And you can see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Everlasting Comfort. And right here in the bottom, they do provide guys some specs and features on the product. So they mentioned how it does have premium memory foam. It helps you guys elevate pressure. It does have a ventilated design because of the holes that's inside, which I'll show you guys in a second. And like I mentioned for the product, it is gel infused, so that we can get that cooling effect. And if you guys turn the start right here, they also provide guys some more specs and features about the product. So they mentioned how the cover is machine washable. It does have an ergonomic design. It's hypoallergenic, and it is recommended by orthopedic doctors. But now I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. But let's take it out. So first, the inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, and how to actually clean it as well. And the last thing that's inside is actual product. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So in the front part right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. And then throughout the part right here, when you guys do feel the fabric, it definitely feels pretty nice. It does give you guys that soft feeling. They also give you guys that breathable mesh material on here, so that way if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. So this is basically what the product looks like on this side. If you guys flip it to the other side, here is basically what the back part looks like. And you see how throughout the product they do have a non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it onto your chair, it won't move around. And then right here, you can see we do have a zipper, so let's do open up. That is basically what the inside looks like. So see how the inside, like I mentioned, it does have like the gel infused memory foam. So that way you can get that cooling effect, which is really useful, especially during the hotter days like summertime. And then throughout the product, you can see we do have a bunch of holes. So that way it can give you guys that ventilated option. And like I mentioned, for this cover, you do have the option to take it out. Just run a machine to wash it if you guys do want to. And when you guys do squeeze the material that's on here, it's actually very thick. Like give you guys a lot of cushion and support when you guys do feel it, which is pretty nice. But once you guys are done, you guys can zip it back up. So that is basically what the product looks like. Here is the other side, and then here is the back. But now let's put this down on the chair to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. And it does give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do set it up. But if you guys do sit down, let me show you guys what the product looks like. Once you guys do sit down, this is basically what the product looks like. So literally the moment once you guys do sit down, it actually feels pretty comfortable. You do get that comfort and support, but you guys also get like that cooling effect because of the gel infused memory foam that's inside. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up and start using it. Alright, come back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work, and she works quite well. So literally the moment once we do sit down on here, it actually feels pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys that comfort and support like I mentioned, but it also gives you guys that cooling effect because of gel infused material. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality memory foam cushion that also give you guys that gel infused material as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.